Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the US government shutdown is now finally over. However, very interesting that the White House is saying that maybe the October data, job data and inflation data will be never released because of the shutdown. So, well, I don't know what you think about this. Also, let's talk about the fact that in the last 30 days, 815,000 Bitcoin were sold, which is the highest level since 2024. And we have the Czech National Bank testing Bitcoin crypto reserve with $1 million. A lot of things in today's video as well. And I'm going to talk about the market present situation too. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. But before we move on, tomorrow I'm attending to the Crypto Content Creator Campus, which will be in Lisbon. And therefore, I'm there until next week. So probably I'm going to make some videos for you guys, what's happening at the campus. A lot of influencers going to be there. Here you can see the list. And it's just kind of on and on and on and on. So probably it will be a good time, and I'm going to meet a lot of interesting people as well. And I'm going to make some videos for you from there too. Okay, now let's have a look at the market, and where we can see that actually Bitcoin is down 1.1%, kind of with this $101,542 US. Ethereum $3,288 US, a bit more than 2% down in the last 24 hours. We see AB is the one which is going up 12%, Quant 8%, and Zcash up 8%. These are the top gainers in the top 100. Losers, Aero down 18%, Pump Fund 11%, kind of, and Story down 6%. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see it here that, look guys, we are again in the danger zone because this is the 50 moving average on the weekly, and we are under it. Again, very important. Do we close above it or we close under it at the end of the week? So not today. Today is Thursday. But this would be important. Just like last time, if we went above it, then this is a good sign. If we go under it, that probably will push some selling pressure, because a lot of people believe if we're closing under it, this is the time to start with the bear market, or at least with the bearish time. So many people watching this for sure. And if it's not playing out pretty well, then probably some selling pressure can continue. We see what's going to happen. Overall, we have Fear and Greed Index at 15. We haven't seen this for a long time. Look at this here. When was it last time we were so low? In March. In March, we have seen this number. Since that, we haven't seen the Fear and Greed at 15. Yesterday, it was 24. Before, 27, and so on and so forth. So we're going down, down, down with this. As you can see, we have in the last 24 hours more than, let's just refresh, almost 236 million long liquidation, short 125, but this number was actually a bit bigger. So yeah, we can see that the selling pressure is a little bit on, but the government shutdown is over. So let's talk about that. So yes, the House voted, Trump signed the bill and ends government shutdown after 43 days. It was a pretty long one, but very, very interesting. Now they back to work, but interesting that the White House says that October job and inflation data may never be released because of the shutdown. And when we're looking at now the chances for the rate cut, it went down. Yesterday was like 63, something like that there will be a 25%, 25 basis points rate cut in December, less than a month time. But now it decreased, and actually it's continuously decreasing. So let's see what's going to happen. When we're looking at the Bitcoin inflows, outflows, again, yesterday we witnessed outflows. Before that, we had a big inflow, but then outflow continues actually. And overall, we can see that the market is still a little bit undecided. Now the shutdown is over. They back to work. Maybe this October data won't be released. So there is still a gray area, and therefore, people like a bit uncertain what's going to happen on the market, and that's the reason why we dumping further down. Also, when we're talking about the dump, let's talk about the fact that 815,000 Bitcoin were sold just in the last 30 days. So let's look at some statistics. Long-term hodlers are selling hard. 850,000 Bitcoin sold in the last 30 days, the highest level since January 2024. However, when we're looking at from another direction a little bit, Plan B posted that I see stories about old ways dumping Bitcoin, but the data does not support those stories. Almost 7 million Bitcoin transacted on chain in 2025. Most Bitcoin came from 2024 transactions. So not the old guys selling. One big 84,000 Bitcoin were from 2011, and some 2017, 2023 sellers, but that's it. Business as usual. So this is what he's saying. Yeah. Anyway, bottom line is some are selling, some are not, and also some are moving just simply to another address. So when you see movements on the blockchain, transactions doesn't mean definitely it's selling. Maybe they putting it to somewhere else, but they still own that address. Okay, and now let's talk about the fact that the Czech National Bank is in because they started to accumulate crypto reserve with $1 million US. I remember when Lagarde said that no European Central Bank is going to buy crypto. Well, here they are. The Czech National Bank tests the Bitcoin crypto reserve with a historic $1 million buy, and the crypto reserve will includes Bitcoin stablecoin and tokenized bank deposits. But the most important is that they have started. So now the question is who will be next, how this is playing out for them, how they will continue, do they invest more, who will copy from Europe, and yeah, that could be revolutionary, to be honest with you, that the direction we going with the Czech National Bank at the moment. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, tomorrow I'm going to Lisbon to the Crypto Content Creator Campus, and I'm going to make some videos from there for you guys, so you also won't miss it. If you would like to keep yourself up to date, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, as I provide you the daily fresh updates for more than 5 years already. And if you like this kind of content, of course, hit the like button. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.